you might notice something different attached to the front of my red 124. Something that hasn't been there in a very long time. Also something attached to the rear of my red 124 that hasn't been there for a very long time. Today was the fabled day, the actual inspection day, and to my surprise, Red passed first go, despite a few things such as the hood lining starting to peel off, but fortunately it lasted just long enough. The underside of the car is absolutely perfect. I made sure of that before I went in there. There was nothing to clean up anyway. The only concern that he had was the peeling wood on the center console in the rear. You're not allowed to have sharp edges on the interior in the case of an accident or it cutting someone getting in and out of the car, but he wasn't overly concerned. Now at my leisure I can go ahead and install my refurbished instrument cluster and get rid of that horrible clickety-clackety faded, worn out one that's in there at the moment. And yes, I will leave it all zeros. Maybe I should get new sticker faceplates because the yellow cross-hatching, or orange it's supposed to be, is kind of faded as well, but I can do that at my leisure now because the car is now registered. I don't have to worry about gradual oil leaks developing because I'm taking too long to do anything. I can work at my own pace now, and that's absolutely fantastic.